Hi. In this video, we are going to learn the basics of local SEO. We will be using Google as the search engine throughout the course. But don't worry, most of the strategies that we discuss will work on all search engines. Almost 1/3 of the consumers search for local businesses daily. So, if a search engine is where your potential customers will go to find you, you have to make sure you are visible on the results page. You can accomplish this through SEO or search engine optimization. SEO is the practice of optimizing your website to show up higher in search results organically or for free. If you are higher up in the search engine result page, more people are likely to visit your website. However, if you are a local business, just using SEO won't generate as much traffic to your website. To drive your sales further, you need to use local SEO because local SEO helps local businesses rank higher in search results when people search by location. Let's take an example. Here are the results of a general search for a departmental store. First, we see the websites ranking for department stores, and then only scrolling down we find local search businesses. On the other hand, if we search for department stores in Gurgaon, we can immediately see their locations. Showing up at the top of the search results page provides excellent exposure to local businesses. Appearing at the top makes them more memorable for the searchers, if only for a short while. Another reason local SEO is important is that 88% of the people who search for a local business call or visit within 24 hours of the search. Also, 97% of the people who search for local information are looking for local businesses. Okay, so before we start optimizing, let's look at the elements that can show up for a local search result. Understanding the anatomy of the local search results will help in developing the best strategies for ranking at the top. For our first example, we will search for bakeries in Delhi. Here, at the top, we can see the Google Local 3-pack. Google's Local 3-pack shows the top 3 businesses for any local search. To go to the local finder and see more results, click View All. To show up here, you have to claim your Google My Business account. Next, we have some online directory sites. Having your business mentioned here can also help improve footfall to your shop. After these two results, we have the People Also Ask section. Here are common search queries that people also search for containing keywords we have used. Google uses websites that have high authority to provide answers to these questions. Let's do another search. This time we will search for one specific company, say EN-Telesense. On the search engine result page, we can see the company's knowledge panel. This appears when you claim your Google My Business account, and people specifically search for your business. However, sometimes companies manage to optimize their website and GMB account. The knowledge panel appears even for generic keywords. Having your knowledge panel show up for generic keywords is a huge deal. This will surely give you a competitive edge over your competitors by driving more visitors to your site and building brand awareness. Now, we only took 2 examples, but you might find the SERP slightly different if you search for other products and services. This is because Google is always trying to find the best way of showing results, and for this, they test new features regularly. Since Google does this, it is vital that you do this too. Check your search results from time to time and take action when required. Also, checking your competitors' rankings can help in understanding how you can improve. The majority of people click one of the first links when they search for something. 28.5% of the people click the first result. After this, the number of clicks goes down. Consequently, if your website isn't ranking in the top 10 results, the chances of someone clicking on it are minimal. So, how can you improve your website's rankings? There are many ways to do this, and usually, you will have to use a combination of all. The top factors you should focus on are Google My Business, or GMB, physical location, online prominence, reviews, website content, backlinks, mobile-friendly website, and online directories. Let's briefly touch upon all of these before we take them up in detail in later videos. GMB is a free listing that Google offers local businesses. It allows business owners to promote their business profile and website on Google Search and Maps. The listing will contain the business's name, address, phone number, website URL, business hours, etc. Usually, the closer your business is to the searcher's location, the higher the ranking of your website in local search results. The next factor that affects your ranking is online prominence. This is based on all the information about a business available on the internet. This includes everything from articles that mention your website to directories. Reviews also have a role to play in your rankings. The higher your review, the more trustworthy you are, so Google ranks you at the top. The content on your website plays a crucial role in optimizing local SEO. To boost your rankings, write the content for your target audience and not Google. Try and answer the questions in search queries. Use variation in your keywords. Don't mindlessly stuff your content with one keyword you want to rank for. These are just a few things you should keep in mind. There are many more things to consider while developing content. Apart from good content, your website also needs backlinks. Backlinks are all the websites that have a link to your website. It has become crucial that your websites are mobile-friendly and have fewer than 3 seconds of load time. This not only provides for a great experience but also improves your rankings, as Google rewards such websites. Another way to rank higher is to get your website listed on highly trusted website directories. While people don't usually use these directories to find businesses, these do turn up higher in the search engine result page. To check your website's name, address, and phone number information, you can use the free citation reports tools like Moz Local. That's it for this video. We hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.